Hello everybody, welcome to 9th Standard English Workbook. Unit 1, Worksheet number 1, Prose, Learning the Game. Roman letter 1, fill in the blanks choosing the correct options given below. The choices are passion, stamina, influence, induction. Question number 1, the management has arranged induction training to the new staff. Question number 2, horses were used for long rides because they have more stamina. Question number 3, the parents and the teachers have a significant influence on developing values among the children. Roman letter 2, choose the appropriate antonym for the given words. Question number 4, insane. The choices are A, inefficient, B, wise, C, fool. The correct answer is B, wise. Question number 5, pursue. The choices are A, purse, B, reach, C, avoid. The correct answer is C, avoid. Roman letter 3, read the following statements and answer the questions given below. There was never quite enough time for the pockets to dry out completely, and for the entire duration of the camp, I played with wet pockets. Question number 6, Sachin played with wet pockets because the choices are A, he had to use the same set of clothes after washing. B, his pants got wet in the rain. The correct answer is A, he had to use the same set of clothes after washing. I evolved a way of wrapping the kit bag around me. Question number 7, Sachin had to wrap the kit bag around him as the choices are A, he was scared of pickpocketing in the bus. B, he had no space in the crowded bus. The correct answer is B, he had no space in the crowded bus. Roman letter 4, solve the given anagram. Question number 8, fix a written work, edit, try to lose weight, diet. Question number 9, another word for under, below, a part of your arm, elbow. Roman letter 5. Who said these words? Question number 10. Don't waste your time playing insane games. Coach Ramkant Achrekar. Question number 11. He is nervous. Give him one more chance. Brother Ajit. Roman letter 6. Write any two exclamatory texts for the map. Question number 12. Ramkant Achrekar was the coach of Sachin Tendulkar. He trained Sachin to become a great player. Question number 13. Sachin Tendulkar received Bharat Ratna Award in the year 2013. He received it for excelling in cricket. Roman letter 7. Read the following and answer the questions given below. Karagatam. It is a popular folk dance of Tamil Nadu which involves balancing a pot on the head to musical accomplishment. Silambatam, it is a martial art form practiced from the days of the Tamil kings. Question number 14. If you have to learn any one of the two folk arts, which one will you choose and why? I will choose Silambatam because it is a martial art practiced in Tamil Nadu. Question number 15. Write a sentence describing the above given folk arts. Karagatam. Karagatam has two divisions. They are Atta Karagatam and Sakti Karagatam. Silambatam. Silambatam teaches the performer the method of self-defense. Roman letter 8. Pick out the odd word from the following sets. Question number 16. Plowing, sowing, manuring, rowing. The odd word is rowing. Question number 17. Running, bowling, fielding, binding. The odd word is binding. Question number 18. Weaving, sewing, embroidering, constructing. The odd word is constructing. Roman letter 9. Identify the homophones in the following sentences. Question number 19. I requested him to sing a religious hymn. The homophones are him and him. Question number 20. The students should write the right answers for the questions. The homophones are right and right. Roman letter 10. Choose the correct prefix or suffix for the given words. Question number 21. Sheep, sheepish. 22. Odd, overawed. Roman letter 11. Use the given homonyms in sentences of your own. One has been done for you. Park. The children played in the park. My dad parked the car. Question number 23. Book. I booked the train ticket. My book is on the table. Question number 24. Well, she looked into the well. Get well soon. Roman letter 12. Question number 25. Write a letter to your friend congratulating him on winning the championship in the sports events conducted in his school. Address must be written on the right side. 45 Temple Street, Netaji Nagar, Madurai, 8/5/2021. Dear Vijay, hope you are fine. The news of your achievement in the recent sports meet has come as a great delight to all of us here. My joy has no bounds. I was thrilled to know it. Your hard work and patience has paid off. My congratulations on your success to win the championship trophy. Please convey my regards to your mom and dad. I wish you many more laurels in the days to come. Your loving friend Raja. Address on the envelope to S. Vijay, 43 Church Street, Kotar, Nagarkoil 2. Thank you, students.